So it is currently 9:04 a.m. EST. Of course, let's take it back just a little bit. We were overall bullish on US30. However, we were expecting price to come back down into some sort of discount. Throughout the week, we have been pushing up just a little bit, but I did think that we would go a little bit further into premium. We have some unmitigated areas on the 1 hour time frame. However, price decided where it was comfortable with retracing to. There wasn't much going on here. We did have some trading opportunities, but overall, if you really look at price on this 1 hour time frame, it's kind of consolidated sideways. And then finally, at in the middle of the night, we started to break structure to the downside. So I am bearish on US30 today. I have my areas of interest, and if I were to get in a trade, I'm looking at the daily time frame. I'd probably take price down into daily discount. And if it wanted to go further down, we do have some more areas of interest. So daily time frame shows us that we are still bullish. So we still have a bullish objective. We're not looking to break any swing lows at the moment. Between this swing high and this swing low, we do have 1, 2, and 3 areas of interest. So for now, guys, we are bearish today. So before you place any trades, you have to be really, really sure on what the objective is. Is price bullish or bearish overall? And is price bullish or bearish today? And are you going to take a bullish or bearish opportunity? Are you going to take a retracement, or are you going to wait for the retracement to happen? How are you going to get your points for the day? That's the most important part about trading, is actually making some money. You don't have to guess the trades for the next month. You don't have to guess what will happen tomorrow. You just have to be quick enough to execute a trade in the right direction for the moment that you are trading. So back to this 1 hour time frame here. I am going to go down a little bit more on the smaller time frame just to see what's happening. If I find that price is not retracing back up to this area, then my opportunity is going to be on the 5-minute time frame. So here on the 5-minute time frame, I'm going to start marking up breaks of structures and areas that were retested already, because maybe I might not get an entry way up there in the 1 hour time frame. So I will keep you guys updated and show you the progress of my trade at the end of the trading session. Okay, guys, so at 9:30 a.m. this morning, I did take a buy. So after pausing the call, I found an area of interest right here. Remember I had that 1 hour time frame area, and then I told you guys that I was going to look on the 5-minute time frame just to make sure, or look for an area that I could enter for a sell that's beneath that 1 hour OB. So on the 5-minute time frame, I started to realize that price was continuing to break structure, and there were some areas of supply created above where price was. So here was another area right over here. And then we have another area down here. So because price did not leave any bearish entries above, I automatically assumed that we would go up for a supply zone. So what I wanted to do was take a buy and target a high. I'm not looking to take it up to the 1 hour OB at this point. I just wanted to see us take out a high, which was this one right over here. And then you'll see my profit from that particular trade. And let's go ahead and press play, because I want to show you guys the real move. Because we were bearish, I wanted to see this high and possibly this high being taken out. And the high probable setup was going to be the sell after that buy. So we like to call this a 2-for-1. Here we go. Here's the trade that's actually following the trend, and you guys can target this low to the left or trail your stop loss down. How do you trail your stop loss down when you don't know how far down price is going to go? Well, on the daily time frame, remember I was looking for price to possibly go down into a daily discount, but I wasn't sure if it was going to make it that far. But if you're in a sell, the first thing you want to do is target a low, a previous low. And if you find that price is continuing to run, you guys can move your stop loss down manually. Or I think some applications allow you to trail your stop loss. So this is what you can do. And you could just, every time price is moving, you can move your stop loss down. The minute that it takes you out, you secure a whole lot more profit. So here was the high probable setup right here. And then here was the setup that I caught as a retracement exactly at 9:30 a.m. So let's go ahead and go for the entry. And here's where the stop loss is going to be. And I was targeting this high right up here. Let's go ahead and see how that played out. I got right into profit. We did hit take profit, targeting this high. And then the high probable setup came immediately after, sweeping this previous high. We came down. Stop loss was secured. You want to leave a little breathing room for your stop loss. Always look for, even if this is the high that you're targeting, if there's a high right over to the left, make sure your stop loss is a little bit above that high. You never know how many highs it wants to take out or target. And as you know, price continued to run down. So if you were interested in securing profits, you could have trailed your stop loss down. And where we stand right now in this afternoon, and I'll show you guys the buy and then the sell. So where we are right now, when price takes off, you want to just go back and see what price is left behind. So what you want to do is you want to wait for a swing low to form, just like that. And while that's happening, you guys can go in and look for your area of interest. This was the area of interest for me right here. And I'm not sure if we quite made it back there as of yet. This is where we are right now. So let me see if price isn't premium yet. Okay, no, price has not gone into premium as of yet. So this is pretty much the next opportunity that I would be waiting for to continue down. My objective is a discount on the daily time frame. So guys, thanks for watching, and check out my YouTube shorts for updates on my trades that I take every single day.